Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Okay, traders, I would like to speak to you about two things. Well, a few different things. Let's start with this. This is a holiday week. We have Columbus Day coming in on Monday. A lot of traders will use this opportunity to be gone by Wednesday or Thursday and use it for a 4 or 5 day weekend. Markets are half day on Friday, are closed on Monday. So markets are going to be erratic. They're going to be thin. They're going to be tricky. And for you Omniacs who follow me, you know that during this week, I do not do a lot of trading. During any major holiday weeks, I do not do a lot of trading. I do see the S&P looking like it wants to go higher. We have an Omni. We have a green Omni here looking for S&P to go higher. And I didn't put my Omni up, Mike. Oh, no. It's never going to work now. Don't take the trade, traders. All right, wait. Let's see if we can fix this trade. All right, what do we got? Oh, look at that. The Omni's going to work perfectly now. So take this trade when I show it to you. All right. I wanted to talk to you about outside days. I did a little bit of this in my video over the weekend webinar, but I want to show you what happens with outside days. I have a chart I'll bring up in a couple of moments. Natural gas, I left orders in to buy it today at 7.05. I think it only got down to 7.06.5 and took off on an outside day. I saw the trade coming. I knew it was coming. I put orders in MIT to get it, and I missed it. It happened about 4 in the morning. I just didn't see it happening. But I want to show you that chart. I want to mention that again. I won't be doing a lot of trading this week. This is a twofold week for me. It is a holiday, pre-holiday trading, pre-Columbus Day. So for me, I don't trade a lot. And I'm getting ready to take this show to Vegas. We're all going to Vegas, baby. We are relocating the whole operation to Vegas, baby. The whole thing's going. I'm going to set it up so that the whole trip down, we have laptops open. The chat rooms are open. There'll be video and audio, and you guys can take this trip with us. It's a journey of Omniacs from New York, one end of the United States, one coast. We're going clear across the United States to practically the other coast. One little piece of California separates us from Atlantic and Pacific. So it's going to be a great journey. All my Omniacs are absolutely invited to come along with us. So stay in touch with us during our journey, during the next 4 or 5 days. We're leaving Friday evening, and we hopefully will be set up and in Vegas on Monday. Monday markets are closed, so by the time markets are open Tuesday, everything is all systems go. All right, let's go look at the chart first, and then I'll give you the S&P Omni, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned, traders. Okay, traders, an outside day. An outside day is when you have a small day and then a larger day with a lower low and a higher high than the previous, and then a settlement outside of either the upside or the downside of the day before. That is exactly what we have here in natural gas. We have this day here. The next day is an outside day, and what we expect after an outside day is a major run up. We are up 35 cents in natural gas right now. The next day after an outside day. That's the trade I just mentioned to you, traders, before the chart, that we had orders in trying to capture that, and it just exploded. Outside days work really, really well. Keep them in mind, and keep this natural gas in mind, because another thing that happens in natural gas characteristically is if you buy it at the end of September and you sell it out sometime in December, you will make a decent amount of money, 7 years running so far. In fact, probably longer than that, but 7 years were really, really good-looking moves. So I illustrated that to you in my weekend webinar, and I just wanted to show you again what happens after you get one of these moves. All right, traders, so you've seen that chart one more time. The illustration is this. You have a day where you have a high and a low, any market, any high, low. If the next day you have a higher high and a lower low, and then the market settles above, it is an outside day up. If the market settles below yesterday, it is an outside day down. Natural gas, after putting in this outside day up, went like this today. Boom, big trade. So remember outside days, traders, because you will make a decent trade if you follow this every time. All right, traders. Again, I hope you all come on our journey with us because it's going to be exciting. If you don't know how you found us, you might have found us searching through YouTube. Simply type in www.youtube.com/futures analysts. If you do that, you'll come to my YouTube page where there's 208 videos of this nature, probably with more detail than this one, ready for you at any time to go back and do some studying and try to catch up with us Omniacs. You can come to my site, www.livewithoscar.com. There are plenty of products for you to learn from. There are memberships for you to join. There are chat rooms. There are forums. So please go and do that. Let's go to the Omni now and see what we got for today. S&P, the Omni support. We're looking for a green S&P Omni, baby, on the way up. Omni support is the low 1550s. For you Omniacs that get my email, my gold members, you know exactly where I'm looking to buy. Omni support is the 1550s, the low 1550s. Omni's profit objective for the day is likely in the 1570s, or be out MOC. So we're buying in the low 50s, we're selling them out in the low 70s if we get lucky, or we're out at the end of the day. I would just like to say this one more time: be cautious during pre-holiday trading. Right now, you have grains, which have all been going up, smashing down. You have metals, which have all been going up, smashing down, with the exception of copper. You have markets across the board that were going in one direction, going in the total opposite in a big way today, and will happen for the rest of the week. So be cautious. Try not to trade the lesser volume markets. Stick with the S&P, maybe the NASDAQ, the really thick markets for this week. Wait until after Tuesday to trade again because Monday we're closed. If you are going to trade, keep your stops tight, be nimble, and watch out for this erratic action because I'm telling you, you will see it. I've been trading a long time, and every holiday I do the same way. I'm a very defensive trader, and I try not to do much. I don't know that we'll have many more trades for the rest of this week, maybe tomorrow, and then that's going to be about it. So let's see what's going to happen. All right, traders, you can give me a call at 718-351-2266. Come on down to the site. Join us. Come into our forums. You can leave posts in our forums. If you leave posts, you will earn Omnibucks. And those Omnibucks are redeemable for services at the site. They cost you nothing. So come to the site, join a membership, type a little bit, get some Omnibucks, and see what we can do to help you with your trading. All right, traders, I'd like to just say, keep this in mind every day. Say this before you trade. Say this after you place your trades. And live this because it will help you. Think what you're saying and act it out when markets are open. And you know what that is? Stops are in. Emotions are out.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.